Hello, this is Brian Shannon from Alpha Trends Blogspot. Today is Monday, March 5th, 2007, and on Wall Street today we're looking at shares of Kansas City Southern, symbol KSU. Obviously, there's a lot of risk in the market right now, and Kansas City Southern is not immune to this selling that we've seen over the last week either. But the good news is it looks like the stock is coming down to a prior level of resistance, which ought to act as support, hopefully, down near this $30.50 level, which is where we also see that rising 50-day moving average. So just on this daily time frame, I do like the way the stock looks because it is in an uptrend, and I think that this weakness probably is just due to overall market risks, nothing necessarily to do with Kansas City Southern itself. You can see it gap down Tuesday with the rest of the market, and it's been weak with the market. So I think it's probably coming into a potential buy area near that $30.50 level or so. Now, if we look at a shorter term time frame, like a 10-minute time frame, you can see that clearly on this time frame the trend is lower. It's making a series of lower highs and lower lows. So no reason to buy it yet. We don't want to play guessing games as to where the bottom might be, and maybe it's just going to continue to drop right down through 30.5. I think it probably will look that we probably will see some support form in there. But let's wait until you see that, see some evidence of buying, and then we want to typically, or the way I would like to look at it is we want to buy in strength, similar to over here back on the 12th of this month. We don't want to buy as it's pulling back. We don't want to buy as it's going sideways, but as the buyers retake that control and it gains momentum. Now, even with a stock like this, it shows the importance of protecting your profits, as we've seen perfect, cyclical analysis here. Stage 1, stage 2 uptrend, stage 3 distribution over here, and then as it broke down into this stage 4 decline, which is where it currently is as well. It's currently still in this decline. It's not showing signs of a bottom yet. When we do see signs of accumulation, what we'll see first typically is the moving averages crisscrossing. That will tell us that the shorter and intermediate term trends on this time frame are starting to show conflicting signals. That often occurs at turning points. So overall, you look at the weekly time frame, you can see this fantastic uptrend in here, and now it's looking like the stock did probably get a little bit ahead of itself here this year with this rally from the 28 up to 35 or so, and now it's pulling back, and it looks like it's probably getting set up for a potential purchase. I'd wait for it to get down towards at least that 30.5 level, or wait for more evidence that the buyers are actually taking control before you get involved.